MPCC workers chant "Resign Modi," condemning demonetization, which completes 2 years today. Party asserts demonetization brings plights rather than curbing black money. Education Minister Thoktom Radhesham asserts hard work, dedication and patience are required to achieve all-round development and financial prosperity. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar encourages Manipuri filmmakers for entering international film festivals. A combined team of City Police and Food Safety and Standards Enforcement Wing Imphal West conducts food safety drives in various shops of Ngari Gali. And the Fisheries Department holds annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2018 at NCC ground in view of Ningol Chakuba Festival. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC workers chanted "Resign Modi" and protested against the BJP-led government upon the completion of 2 years of demonetization in the country today. MPCC workers carried out the protests under the direction of All India Congress Committee in front of Reserve Bank of India in Chingmairong. Speaking to media, MPCC Vice President T. Mangibabu asserted that the country will be at great loss if Narendra Modi-led BJP government reigns once again. He condemned that the BJP government initiated demonetization in the name of curbing black money, but it has brought plights to people engaging in small-scale industries. Mangibabu also expressed apprehension over a possible financial crisis in the country in the near future. It may be mentioned that former Prime Minister of the UPA government, Dr. Manmohan Singh, had termed November 8 as a black day for the Indian economy and democracy in his speech, referring to demonetization last year.
Demonetization toru matungda bank ta halakpa pasadi 99 point something halakhare adu gadi black money se karai de lege ba mana black money da muthat kadu bani haidana to demonetization na se मसीना ब्लैक मनी मुथत पगी महुत्ता भारत की प्रजा पुनमक मुथत बलबी होइरमने अदुना महाअसे भारत की लेदिबो प्रजा कोटि मयाम सिगी येकनबनी मान भारत की संविधान मसु सिंगनबनी.
Former Moirang MLA M. Prithviraj asked the government whether construction of the Statue of Unity, which cost around 3,000 crore rupees, will ease the plights facing the country's farmers. He was speaking in an event organized by Moirang Assembly Youth Congress Committee held in connection with Ningol Chakuba for distributing electrical items to Sandong Guide Union Club and Sandong Youth Welfare Association of Kwakta, Shandong today. Condemning the government on various issues including demonetization, Prithviraj criticized the 5-year-old BJP government at the center and around 2-year-old state BJP government for not walking the talks to bring development and welfare for the people.
Ngasi dagina chahi ani ki mamang la ngasi ki namit sila Bharat ki Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi na demonetization na ilang mayhan chana ra paisa kudak ta tingin ki ba madu ki awa makoy ngasi sho koy mani Bharat ki praja sin na ngasi chahi na chaw na phangi mo sarkar sin center da adu chahi ani Bharat ka doraba BJP ki Manipur lu chingi ba sarkar asna ngasi praja angat ko phamna wali Shri Narendra Modi na lakku matam da haige ba wasak ki ba mayam pochai hongan gani akoi pum ke account da pa lakh 3 hapakani chahi madak crore ani ani akoi naharun sin da thabak pi gani aduga loina na pochai ki mama da bungna gani haibu ngasi kadai da leire amat ba ko.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham asserted that development and financial prosperity cannot be attained without hard work, dedication and patience. He was speaking in the Apparel and Garment Day event held as part of Manitex, the Manipur International Textile Expo 2018 at Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboy Khongnangkhong today. Radhesham added, good society needs good economic conditions which can only be brought about through hard work, dedication and patience. He also emphasized the need to have long-term plans with regard to handloom and handicraft for enhancing economic condition of every household of the state. A school uniform shirt was launched on the occasion and a memorandum of agreement was also signed between MHHDC and Apparel and Garment Center during the event. It may be mentioned that the expo, organized by Organizing Committee Manitex, the Manipur International Textile Expo, the Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur, was launched on November 5 and will continue till November 15.
Sali mayam se halapakan suitcase am thanna mall lagi adagi ambience mall lagi loi pu lai suamna sindana Manipur ki economy phale se handloom handicraft phale se loi haiba ado ide akhoi na isagi da haijaba karmaina phagalan ngadori ge ba akhoi gi ne da haira akhoi potu nungsidra karmaina akhoi rich culture ne akhoi po ne akhoi tawgane se kadai de yaudori ge po chi ma pani nga ta pa me ba khoina pa ma no pani po sindana manungi nungsiba saba ado ide will never go ahead, will never move forward akhoi kadong sa kholoi mase akhoi yum da isa singda ai gi ipuroi bada ai nupi singda tawdabi yaroi pot taradi Manipur sa sin da pot manga de sin da yaroi haibu gumba kari gumba ma akoina haudragadi sumaina khanaraga tawraga ne kainta kana roi aduna action on thokmina se aduna ngasi akoi wasak mine se today from now koi isa isana wasak am sa kanda Manipur ki pot sin se haina khanaragadi ngasi ki tawrbe expose sigi result lakani.
Officials and staffs of the newly revived Manipur Transport Department were felicitated upon being recognized by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for the department's outstanding undertakings in developing the transport facilities of the state. The Transport Department organized the felicitation ceremony at MST complex in Moirangkhom today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthongpa Biren lauded the efforts of the officials and staffs for bringing a change in the transport sector and appeals to make it more developed in the coming years. It may be recalled that Manipur Transport Department was conferred the Commendable Initiative Award in Best City Bus Service Project category during the 11th Urban Mobility India Conference cum Expo 2018 held in Nagpur, Maharashtra from November 2nd to 4th.
Transparency ko later ba? Ako kuding mo pagani. Kuding mo loy na tinawa yarani. Kuding mo loy na punba yarani. Ano usik kasi improvement traiba. Yang short timings ta award ka pangisi. Masi jahay na din. Kana kung makore na mo award pangi enjoy to si ngan man lehar ko kang ko de. Project is serve to the project is service to the. Miyam is service to the. Koi tumba sa chibe ade. Adu ki namutani. Koi common employee na rai ba, koi public servant, politics or koi driver or officer or may have said Prajaki, so don't know with them. Makatana, Wallo River Line, rural area, Tampaki, Manipur.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has urged all Manipuri filmmakers to make films eligible for international film festivals. He was speaking in the pre-production ceremony of Guru Mayum Dasho Film Productions' Manipuri feature film entitled Ningthibi Nonglik at Hotel Nirmala today. Minister Jayantakumar reminded that during the early period of Manipuri films, Imagi Ningthem, directed by Aribam Shyam Sharma, won accolades in International Film Festival. He encouraged filmmakers of the state to make great films and popularize Manipuri society to the world. The Art and Culture Minister lamented that due to minimal budget allotted for the Art and Culture Department, the department is unable to extend much assistance despite its desire to do so. He also urged people of the state to encourage those working earnestly in the field as Manipuri films have limited audience.
Lila, Sumang Lila, drama, films, Fagi, the Mulo, Miss Yombi. At the Bucham or a girl, Toraga, Yemoraka, Matu, Nami, but told you, ma'am, but Urabakanda. So, one number to like a Kanbaga, they were saying. I'm such in a chow, Makili. it's a very vast subject. Yam chawk subject. Sikap na ina ba kakta. Masi kakta mai pa no kona bada phagi ya ta mai bada. At the professional lo ina laidik tam ba dong na tam ka dong ba khri po na.
Jingtam Marup Tronglaubi Moirang presented a cash award of 10,000 rupees as an appreciation to singer Mandakini Takilambam upon entering the top 15 finalists of Z Saregamapa Contest 2018 aired on Z TV channel. Mandakini entered the 15 finalist list after a mega audition on November 4. Treasurer of Jingtam, Marup Tronglaubi Moirang, Robin Chabungbam, handed over the cash to Mandakini's parents, Takilambam Birjit and Takilambam Ongbi and Sundari, at their residence in Ningthaukong Kha, Takilambam Laikai, Ward number 6 today. Speaking to media, Robin expressed that they extended the amount as an appreciation and acknowledgement to all the arts enthusiasts of the state. Mandakini's brother Takilambam Bijesh appeals to help Mandakini during the voting phase after the elimination round.
Saregamapa competition da iramda Manipur dagi Mandakini Takilam hana khangari pa isilasina competition asida top 15 rank nung chanmang amkhiba sigi damangta Jingtam Marup Tronglaubi mahaki awana amadi mahaki mentally amasung financially namjaba khatang osam yamna share tawjari asigi iroina na ina hygienic sing asobo diet amale haidrang asi competition asi saruk yari bani maram maduna iramna masita leibiri ba khwai puna mangna ai isalgi namakta yai phamangol pibiu habas ai sagi site gi appeal to
MLA Moirang P. Sarchandra has urged the relevant department for timely distribution of NAFSA cards to beneficiaries. He was speaking today during the household priority card distribution event for beneficiaries in Tronglaubi, Tera Khongshangbi Gram Panchayat Ward number 4 and Kwakta Gram Panchayat Ward number 8, who were left out from availing subsidized PDS items under National Food Security Act NAFSA implemented since 2016. MLA office Moirang organized the event at Modi Bhavan in the MLA's residence in Moirang constituency. MLA P. Sarachandra expressed concerns that many people in the constituency are still underprivileged. He said according to 2011 census, 87% households should have availed NAFSA benefits, but the benefits reached to only 61%. Sarachandra appeals to the relevant departments to reach out all the underprivileged constituencies in the district.
Ay kilo mga kaktatlani ha mari kaktalani hayrak pakanda ay koi MLA duna di government duna di koi laira ba igi chengni kakpi gano na haybase adugi thonado session singna review aduna ay koi agent sing da su member sing da su councillor sing da su pradhan da su leader puna makta koi na appeal to jari madadi laira bagi damakta di ay koi khara kathokpagi wakal si khanbira kanna moi gi saktum se koi na logan si
MLA Sugunu constituency Kangujam Ranjit has filed a disqualification case against MLA Wangoi constituency Oinam Lukhoi. MLA Karong constituency Didi Thaishi has also filed a disqualification case against MLA Kakching constituency Yengkhom Surchandra. Secretary of North Eastern Council, the Ministry of Development of North East Region, Government of India, Ram Muiva IAS has inaugurated Sangai Bazar Debala Multi-Purpose Auditorium at Hyangthang Takilambam Konjin today. Area Manager of Food Corporation of India, Mizoram M. Nandakishore, Manager of Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, L. Suranjoy, CAF and PD Assistant Director, N.G. Lawrence, Sangai Bazar Chairman, K.H. Inauba, Sangai Bazar Chief Advisor, K.H. Gambhir, and many people attended the event. Speaking in the event, Ram Muiva appreciated the initiatives of Sangai Bazar Chairman, K.H. Inauba for the multi-purpose hall after the recent opening of Sangai Bazar Shopping Mall, which is not far from Imphal. He believed that it would provide employment opportunities to many youths. Speaking to media, Sangai Bazar Chairman K.H. Inauba disclosed that addition of Shiroi Lili Cafe is in the pipeline to make Sangai Bazar a complete family destination. He stressed on the role of private entrepreneurs in eradicating unemployment problems in the state, as it is impossible for the government to provide government jobs to everyone. He expressed contentment that his project has provided jobs to many youths in the state.
Manipur government of Bajajing Taupi Dresu, Nain Kalimanasi, Ako Asuma Mayam, Tortuna, Manipur, Mayam, Private sector Mayam in Kanada, Manipur, Tau the Bisa Sazi, Kalmakati, Sokto, Mani Kanjaraga, I Masiga Sundava Samai Baza, Masiki Makado, Sugar Choidina, Jing Tamamatani, Hiberina, Ako Jing, Chiroi Cafe, Hamna to Matam, the Hamna Bandam Tamzare, Chiroi Cafe, family sing local production sing sana thang ko thamba ke padam thamjari madu jumiyam da hoi atum tan question najagani
matam amada somi lamdam da mana charitable hospital amat tawing heba adu ekoi si ekoi gari mateng pang ba ya bara hebto isu khange huji gandhi company achau bagi CSR heba scheme amale corporate sector responsibility haina company amagi net profit share 2% si social work when si jinagadabani ha ma leya ado da ONGC tara Air India tara magi hospital magi dream do fulfill tawna ba aisu mateng khara panchage.
Officer in charge of Singjamai Police Station in a press release informed that an unidentified male body aged around 60 years, suspected to have died of intoxicant overdose, was found laying on the roadside of IVR Kwakaitil Akamlekai near the gate of 1 Kangabam Tombasing around 10 a.m. yesterday. The press release said the body was evacuated to RIMS Hospital but was declared broad death by doctors and is now kept at RIMS mortuary. The grey-haired deceased is 5.6 feet tall, slim built, has elongated face and whitish in complexion. The deceased wore a dark blue colored striped coat, black t-shirt, green, yellow and red striped belt, black pea-cap and a pair of red slippers. A joint team of City Police and Food Safety and Standards Enforcement Wing of Imphal West, led by designated officer D.O. Y. Satyajit, has seized banned tobacco products worth around 40,000 rupees from various shops of Ngari Gali today. The team continued drives at the ground floor of Ima Market to inspect fermented dried fishes and bananas of any harmful chemical contents in view of Ningol Chakoba festival. Meanwhile, Technical Officer of Food Tasting Laboratory A. Bihari and his team also conducted drives in various areas of Lamlong, Palace Compound, Wangkai and Singjamai to inspect formalin content in any of the fishes. On a better note, D.O. Satyajit assured that no hazardous chemicals were found in any of the drives.
Chinjak bukaraba tawriyo khudimangna hakchang chokpa yaba poyan tawduna mayamda yonbiganu sumnagi sendong khaki khallaga yonbiba tawbiganu masi tawbiba thengnaragadi akoina matik chaba food safety act ki matungina akoi makoi makha taba action sing lawjagani masi mayamna khangbiu amadi praja mayamna ju support tawbiu karigumba yonba thengnaragadi mafam matam khoida chapchaba praman pibiraga akoida action lawbo ngamnaba food safety enforcement wing Imphal West ta paw pibiu haina mayam thamjari.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the Fishery Department's annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2018 held at NCC ground. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. As in other years, the Fisheries Department organized the annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2018 at NCC ground, DM College of Arts campus today. Speaking on the occasion, Fisheries Minister N. Kaishi stated that fish farming is widely carried out in the valley. He stressed the need to initiate the same in the hilly regions so that abundant fishes will be available in the state. He mentioned that hilly regions of the state have great potential for fish farming activities. He also stated that Manipur consumes 52 metric tons of fish in a year, but the state produces only 32 metric tons of fishes, hence the requirement is filled in by importing fishes. And Kaishi assured that the government is putting all out efforts to make the state self-reliant and to stop importing fishes by 2022 and appeals to people and fish farmers of the state to extend cooperation for the same. Fish farmers from across the state have opened 90 stalls in the fair, making available various fishes like pengbangaton, kabag, porom, tunghanbi, katla, rahu, mrigal, common carp, grass carp, etc. People coming to buy fishes at the fair were, however, comparatively lesser to last year.
Fishery Department na highest technical know-how share to si masina state asina
mayuknariba poverty, employment, amasung makal-makalgi problem singsi solve tawba ngamgini abisi ayak thaje. Aikhogi state sidadi fish farming activities singsi valley area da ayamba oina concentrate tawri. Masigi system asi hondok handuna hill area da so fish farming activities gi scope pathok chokthok na handgi tangai phataba lei.
Apana tang iba ikoina migi mapan tang singse kok nangai khara nga se khare hena puthongnai khara pc department na kitang angamba mateng khara pihaningi
suma chakau basi masida nuksinaba makhoigi masin manau ko masigi pawro su pokhoi pinani nusi charana kaina dana hingminna ba bisa ese pinani egi sahi magi ko aina pining madu piraga dum tone hitana misi fatte dokhina da freeze piba tv piba madu khoi tawjaro.
Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has sent her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially to Manipuri women, on the auspicious occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In her message, the governor said Ningol Chakoba rejuvenates family ties and strengthens the bonds of love and affection between brothers and sisters, mothers and daughters, and fathers and daughters, helping in promotion of unity and integrity in the society. She hopes that the festival is celebrated in its true spirit with the involvement of all the communities of the state to bring peace, prosperity and peaceful coexistence amongst all. Chief Minister Nongthongmum Biren conveyed his warm greetings and good wishes to the people of Manipur, especially the women of Manipur, on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba festival.
Ningol Chakoba asidasu Ningol khudingna piba khudingbu bor pibidana magi leiriba imungsing ana yek yaudana punsi nungsangna leiba oinanaba bor pibiramsanu aduga isorgi mafamdasu ehakna suguma numit asida lamdamsida leiriba singtam zat bizat dharmagi khenaba punamak thadokle hairaga punamak amato oibagi lipun nungsinabagi lipun leiminnabagi wakhalona do hanjalakpa ohelasanu haidana isorgi mafamda nijabaga loinana miyamda.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has also extended her heartiest greeting on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba festival, especially to the women of the state. In a press release, Minister Nemcha Kipgen wished for a violence-free society for women. Health Minister Lampulakpam Jentakumar has wished the people of the state on the eve of Ningol Chakoba.
Sagi ongrab kangbusingna amuk halaga nungsibaga loinana mong mopasingda chahi ame manung amung laga adugi bor pibiba amasung mong mopasing tibapa maton singna sum matu mangula sibat matu pibi chana bisi matam chupagi oina khoi ngaksi amasung masil encouragement toksi ningon uiba kangbusing chi mama hai makalgi pandam dumatu ningsi du phangrabanina makhoi pulagadoriba icha sing issue sing matuna hengbai tungda matamamada samajigi yumbi wedana chaung lakadabana ningon chingna pangkanna thona leina amasung akoi mara tappa wakhal akoi ki chetpa amasung mongo pap nuksiba miwi khunai nuksiba masak khangbadu madu ningon chingchu oresanu hadana lamdam chida chingtamda leiduma makhal gi ningon chingdam madugi paujel duma Nation People's Party ki taraf tegi ai sai taraf tegi ai department taraf tegi amjung sarkar taraf tegi madi ai fawjin.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit also conveyed his heartiest greetings to women folks of the state on the eve of Ningol Chakoba. He wished for the festivals to increase love between siblings and bring unity and harmony amongst all the communities of the state. Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority Adim Pamay also wished women of the state on the auspicious occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Lok Jana Shakti Party, LJP, Manipur State Unit, Manipur People's Democratic Front, Patsoi Kendra Development Council and Manipur People's Party in separate press releases sent Ningol Chakoba greetings to the people of the state. Chief Minister's Secretariat in a press release informed that the combined Miyam Ginumit and Hills Leaders Day will be held on November 15. Singsit Youth Organization headquarters celebrated its Golden Jubilee at Molenphai village in Churachandpur district today. Reverend Sat Kothang Singson, Additional Commissioner, Income Tax, Government of India, James T. Singson, IRS, and UBI Lead District Manager Saikai Singsit attended the event. Proscribed outfit People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak Pripak in a press release has informed that Athoba Shingi Numit Ningsing Numit will be held on November 12th to commemorate the joint dreadful encounters killing cadres of the outfit on November 12, 1978 and on November 12, 1985. The proscribed outfit reminded that a combined team of CRPF and Manipur police ambushed Leimarok transit camp in Kameng, killing 3 cadres on November 12, 1978, and the outfit's forerunner R.K. Tulachandra died in the hands of security posted at Kabowakching Sugar Factory Complex in the evening of November 12, 1985. Pripak has informed to refrain from any festivities on the day and urged every household to light up memorial lamps in the evening. Now the sports news. Singjamai Kendra Kangkhut beats their opponent in the first Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial League Cum Knockout Kendra-wise Kang tournament today. In a league match of the tournament played at Singjamai Chingamathak in Singjamai Kangshang today, Singjamai Kendra Kangkhut A dropped Haingang Kendra Kangkhut by 10-9. 13 Kangkhuts from different parts of Manipur are competing in 4 groups of the league matches of the Kang tournament dedicated by Oinam Roman to his father. The tournament is organized by Singjamai Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association. AS Konthojam Kendra Kangkhut will play against Yai School Kendra Kangkhut on November 10. Many people led by Mayailambi Sports Academy today accorded warm welcome to the 2 gold medalists in the pre-cadet girls under-15 category of the Commonwealth Judo Championships upon their arrival in Imphal International Airport. Iringbam Kalpana bagged gold in under 63 kg and Laisham Guguria also bagged a gold in above 63 kg of the ongoing Judo Championship held at Jaipur in Rajasthan. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPCC workers chant "Resign Modi," condemning demonetization, which completes 2 years today. Party asserts demonetization brings plights rather than curbing black money. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham asserts hard work, dedication and patience are required to achieve all-round development and financial prosperity. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta encourages Manipuri filmmakers for entering international film festivals. A combined team of City Police and Food Safety and Standards Enforcement Wing Imphal West conducts food safety drives in various shops of Ngari Gali. And the Fisheries Department holds annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2018 at the NCC ground in view of Ningol Chakoba Festival.